this. Got the spicy one is good. Hoodie on, but I don't even care. Like, I've been wanting to come to Vienna for the holidays, and I'm finally here. And rain and all, I love it. It's so beautiful, and it feels so festive. So just went shopping. So. All of the food looks really good. And I think it closed at 10 p.m., but it's a lot of finger food, gifts, ornaments, all of that. So happy I came. This was a place on my bucket list for many years. So just getting back from the market. Morning, guys. I'm on my way to get coffee and head back home. Well, back. I am on my way to get coffee, and I'm actually really sad because I really love it here. I didn't have much time here in Vienna, but I would definitely come back. Like, it's so nice. Like, let me show you guys. That's me. And then I love this hotel. Everyone here has been so polite, and add this on your bucket list. Heading to get coffee. I may actually stop in here. This one looks pretty good, but I will also try the one that I found on my map. So we will see. It's a bit cold here, but I mean, it's winter time, so Well, you guys know that I'm here with my brother, and I'm always doing something solo. He stayed in the hotel, but I wanted to like go out and get coffee. So I'm actually going to go to that place because I can't find the other place that I was looking for, even though my GPS says that I'm here. But yeah, I wish I had more time in Vienna, but you guys always know what happens if you watch my videos. I'm always saying that about everywhere that I go. Vienna has this charm that I really like about it. So yeah, highly recommend coming. The Christmas market alone was like breathtaking, and that's been on my list for so long. So yeah, I'm gonna get coffee, and then yeah, we're heading out, but I would definitely come back here. So I just got my coffee, and I got the iced latte, which I'm gonna tag the place here where I just went, but they were funny. I ordered an iced coffee, and he's like, "Isn't it already cold enough?" And I was like, "Well, I'm American, and we love iced coffee." So we had a nice chat, and we love iced coffee. So yeah, this is actually really good. And then he said like, oh, you know, he was kind of rusty because he doesn't make these this time of year, but yeah, it's actually really good. So support small business. I'll tag them. Here is the Veen station. As you can see here, I wanted to make note that you have to pay really close attention to the numbers. So for example here, this is like the latest time they have departing. Oh, actually 10:28. So definitely pay attention to that. So don't worry, your train may not show just yet because of the time. But other than that, I knew that because I discovered that in Italy. So yeah, but the train is huge. I mean, the station is massive. And as you can see here, we're just waiting. Please check your connection online before. Lindt Hot Chocolate. This is the station. Has a bunch of stuff here.